Hello, and welcome to Rolling Wheels.
Welcome back to Rolling Wheels. Today we are taking a closer look at a machine that looks like it was designed for people who refuse to follow ordinary roads. From the first glance, this hybrid expedition truck creates a powerful impression with its bold stance, advanced styling, and premium adventure-focused design. Starting from the front, the first thing that captures attention is the aggressive and futuristic front fascia. The wide grille area, sharp body lines, and strong bumper design give this truck a confident personality. This is not just a vehicle designed to look impressive. Every exterior element gives the feeling of strength, durability, and purpose. The LED headlights are one of the most eye-catching features on the front. Their modern lighting signature gives the truck a unique identity, while also providing excellent visibility during nighttime driving and difficult weather conditions. The headlight placement and design create a premium appearance while maintaining a rugged expedition character. Moving lower, the front bumper has been designed with protection and practicality in mind. The strong structure helps prepare the vehicle for challenging environments, whether it is traveling through rocky trails, desert landscapes, mountain roads, or long-distance highways. The front design combines luxury styling with the toughness expected from an adventure vehicle. Looking at the side profile, this truck immediately shows its impressive size and presence. The long body, muscular wheel arches, and carefully sculpted panels create a balanced combination of luxury and off-road capability. The design flows smoothly from the front section all the way toward the rear, creating a vehicle that looks premium from every angle. The side mirrors are another important part of the exterior design. They are large enough to provide excellent visibility around the vehicle while maintaining a modern aerodynamic shape. Integrated camera technology around the vehicle helps improve awareness by reducing blind spots and giving the driver a better understanding of the surroundings. The wheels are where the personality of this expedition truck becomes even stronger. Large all-terrain tires provide the aggressive stance needed for off-road adventures while improving grip on different surfaces. Whether driving on highways, gravel roads, sand, or uneven terrain, these tires are designed to provide confidence and stability. The wheel design also adds to the premium appearance. The combination of strong alloy wheels, high ground clearance, and a wide stance gives this truck a powerful road presence. It does not simply look like a large vehicle. It looks like a vehicle built for exploration. Underneath the truck, the engineering focus becomes even more impressive. The elevated suspension setup provides additional clearance between the ground and important components, allowing the vehicle to handle challenging environments more confidently. Protective elements underneath help improve durability during long journeys where roads may not always be predictable. One of the most impressive aspects of this design is how it balances rugged capability with luxury. Many adventure vehicles focus only on toughness, but this truck brings together strength, technology, and premium styling in one complete package. Moving toward the upper section, the roof design continues the same philosophy. The clean and aerodynamic roof profile helps maintain a modern appearance while keeping the vehicle practical for extended adventures. The roof structure feels carefully planned, with every line contributing to the overall futuristic expedition theme. From a high-angle view, the proportions of this truck become even more impressive. The wide body, strong roofline, and carefully positioned exterior details create a premium appearance that feels closer to a luxury expedition platform than a traditional camper vehicle. Continuing our exterior tour, let's move toward the rear section of this impressive hybrid expedition truck. From the back, the design remains just as powerful and purposeful as the front. The rear structure has been created to support long-distance adventures while maintaining a premium and modern appearance. The rear lighting design adds another layer of personality to the vehicle. The LED taillights create a distinctive signature that makes the truck easily recognizable, especially during nighttime driving. The lighting arrangement is not only stylish but also improves visibility and safety for other drivers on the road. The rear bumper and lower body area continue the rugged theme. These sections are designed to handle outdoor environments while providing practical functionality for adventure travel. Every part of the exterior feels like it has been designed with both appearance and real-world use in mind. Another important feature of this truck is the advanced camera system. Multiple exterior cameras provide a complete view around the vehicle, helping the driver understand the surroundings from different angles. For a vehicle of this size, having clear visibility is extremely important. These cameras make parking, tight turns, and difficult terrain much easier to manage. The aerodynamic design also plays an important role in efficiency. Even though this is a large expedition vehicle, the exterior surfaces are shaped to reduce unnecessary wind resistance. The smooth body lines, integrated components, and carefully designed front and roof sections help improve overall driving performance. Now let's talk about the hybrid power system that gives this truck its unique character. A modern hybrid setup combines strong electric assistance with efficient power delivery, allowing the vehicle to produce impressive torque while improving overall efficiency. This means better response during acceleration, smoother driving, and improved capability when carrying heavy loads or traveling through challenging terrain. For a vehicle in this class, performance is about more than just speed. It is about confidence, control, and the ability to travel further with comfort. The intelligent hybrid system helps balance power and efficiency, making it suitable for both long highway journeys and remote adventures. The estimated performance of this type of expedition platform focuses on stability and endurance rather than extreme sports performance. With a capable powertrain and advanced chassis design, it can comfortably handle highway cruising while maintaining the strength needed for off-road exploration. The vehicle's weight comes from its strong construction, advanced technology, premium materials, and full adventure capability. A truck like this is designed to provide maximum durability while carrying everything needed for extended travel. The strong frame, reinforced exterior structure, and quality components contribute to its impressive road presence. Fuel efficiency is another area where hybrid technology creates an advantage. Compared with traditional large expedition vehicles, a hybrid system can help reduce fuel consumption by using electric assistance during certain driving conditions. Depending on driving style, terrain, and configuration, efficiency can be significantly improved compared with a conventional heavy adventure vehicle. What makes this truck truly special is the combination of design, technology, and purpose. From the aggressive front end to the powerful rear profile, every exterior detail creates the feeling of a vehicle built for freedom and exploration. The large tires, elevated suspension, intelligent camera system, premium lighting, aerodynamic body design, and advanced hybrid technology all work together to create a machine that feels ready for almost any journey. Whether it is crossing open highways, exploring remote landscapes, or becoming a luxury home on wheels, this expedition truck represents a new generation of adventure vehicles. After looking closely at the exterior, one thing is clear. This is not just about transportation. This is about creating an experience. A vehicle designed for people who want comfort, technology, and the ability to explore without limits. But the real question is, does the interior deliver the same level of luxury and innovation as the exterior? Let's step inside and discover what this incredible expedition truck has to offer. Now let's step inside the driver cockpit of this incredible hybrid expedition truck, because this is where the connection between the driver and the machine truly begins. The first impression of this cockpit is that it feels like a combination of a luxury vehicle, an advanced command center, and a high-end adventure machine. The moment you enter the driver's seat, the attention to detail becomes immediately noticeable. Every element around the driver is positioned with purpose, creating an environment that feels premium, comfortable, and ready for long-distance journeys. Starting with the driver's seat, the focus is clearly on comfort and control. The seating position gives the driver a commanding view of the road while maintaining a luxurious experience. The premium materials, supportive design, and carefully planned layout make this cockpit suitable for hours of driving across highways, mountains, deserts, and remote landscapes. Moving forward, the steering wheel becomes the center of attention. Its modern design gives the cockpit a sporty and advanced feeling while keeping all important controls within easy reach. The driver does not need to search around for essential functions because the layout is designed around convenience and usability. Behind the steering wheel, the digital instrument display provides important driving information in a clean and modern format. Instead of a traditional dashboard filled with unnecessary controls, This cockpit focuses on smart technology and easy access to information. The driver can monitor essential vehicle functions while keeping full attention on the road ahead. The main dashboard design creates a premium atmosphere with a combination of modern surfaces, advanced displays, and carefully selected materials. The layout feels organized and futuristic without becoming complicated. Every screen, button, and control area has been positioned to create a smooth driving experience. One of the most impressive parts of this cockpit is the technology integration. Multiple displays and intelligent systems help the driver monitor navigation, vehicle information, camera views, and important travel data. For a large expedition vehicle, having this level of awareness is extremely valuable. The camera system is especially important in a truck of this size. Multiple camera angles help provide a complete understanding of the surroundings, making it easier to handle tight spaces, parking areas, and challenging terrain. This technology gives the driver extra confidence whether traveling through a city or exploring remote locations. The windshield area provides a wide forward view, creating an open and comfortable driving experience. The large glass area allows the driver to feel connected with the environment, while maintaining the protection and comfort expected from a premium expedition vehicle. Looking around the cockpit, the small details create the biggest impact. The switches, controls, storage areas, materials, and lighting all contribute to a feeling of quality. This is not a basic driving area. It feels like a dedicated command center designed for someone who wants to travel further and experience more. The cabin atmosphere also plays an important role. Soft ambient lighting, premium finishes, and a clean modern design create a relaxing environment during long journeys. Whether driving during the day or traveling at night, the cockpit maintains a comfortable and sophisticated feeling. Another impressive feature is the connection between technology and adventure. A vehicle like this needs to perform in different environments, and the cockpit reflects that purpose. The driver has access to systems designed to make travel easier, safer, and more enjoyable. From the steering wheel to the digital displays, from the camera systems to the premium seating position, every part of this cockpit has been designed around one idea, giving the driver complete confidence behind the wheel. This is not just a place where you control the vehicle. This is the place where every adventure begins. After experiencing the advanced driver cockpit, the next step is to explore the living space behind it and discover how this expedition truck transforms from a powerful machine into a luxury home on wheels. Now that we have explored the exterior and the advanced driver cockpit, it is time to step inside and discover the living space of this incredible expedition truck. The moment you enter the interior, the first thing you notice is how this vehicle transforms from a powerful adventure machine into a luxury home on wheels. The design philosophy is clear. This space is created for people who want the freedom to travel anywhere while still enjoying premium comfort and modern living. The interior immediately gives a feeling of openness, quality, and attention to detail. Every area has been carefully planned to maximize comfort while making smart use of available space. Instead of feeling like a traditional camper, this feels more like a luxury apartment designed for adventure. Starting with the main living area, the premium sofa creates the perfect place to relax after a long journey. The seating arrangement provides comfort for relaxing, watching movies, enjoying a conversation, or simply taking in the view from the large windows. The materials, textures, and finishing details give the space a high-end atmosphere. One of the smartest parts of this interior is the hidden storage design. In an expedition vehicle, every inch of space matters, and this truck makes excellent use of that philosophy. Storage compartments are integrated throughout the interior, including areas underneath the seating and other practical locations, allowing travelers to carry essential equipment without making the living space feel crowded. Moving toward the dining area, the layout provides a comfortable place for meals, work, or planning the next adventure. The dining setup combines practicality with luxury, creating a space that feels suitable for everyday living, rather than just occasional camping. The kitchen is one of the most important areas in any motorhome, and this design focuses on functionality and convenience. The modern kitchen layout includes a premium countertop, built-in cooktop, sink area, refrigerator, oven, and smart storage cabinets. The kitchen feels designed for real travel. Whether preparing a quick breakfast before heading out or making a full meal after a long day of exploring, everything is positioned for easy access and efficient use. The built-in storage solutions make the kitchen even more impressive. Cabinets and drawers provide organized space for cookware, food supplies, and travel equipment. The attention to detail shows that this interior was designed not only to look beautiful, but also to work in real-world conditions. Another unique feature is the integrated water filtration system, which adds extra convenience for long-distance adventures. Having practical features like this makes extended travel easier and gives the feeling of a self-sufficient luxury expedition vehicle. Moving into the sleeping area, the bedroom provides a completely different atmosphere. After a day of driving and exploring, this private space offers a comfortable place to rest and recharge. The bed area is designed with comfort as the priority. The layout creates a relaxing environment with premium materials, smart lighting, and practical storage solutions. Storage underneath the bed provides additional space for keeping personal items organized while maintaining a clean and open appearance. The bedroom feels separated from the main living area, creating a sense of privacy that is extremely valuable during long journeys. This is one of the features that separates a true expedition motorhome from a simple camper setup. The bathroom area continues the luxury theme with a modern wet bath design. The efficient layout combines shower functionality with premium finishes, making it practical while still maintaining a comfortable experience. A separate wet bath setup provides additional convenience for travelers who spend extended periods away from traditional facilities. Every detail is focused on making remote adventures more comfortable and independent. Looking around the entire interior, what stands out the most is the balance between technology, luxury, and practicality. This is not just an interior filled with expensive materials. Every feature has a purpose. The combination of premium seating, smart storage, modern kitchen facilities, comfortable sleeping space, and functional bathroom design creates an environment where adventure and luxury can exist together. This interior proves that exploring remote locations does not mean sacrificing comfort. With thoughtful design and advanced features, this expedition truck creates a lifestyle where the journey itself becomes part of the experience. Whether parked beside a mountain, exploring a desert landscape, or traveling across the country, this interior provides the comfort and confidence needed for unforgettable adventures. The exterior shows power. The cockpit shows technology, but this interior shows the true meaning of freedom on wheels. After exploring this incredible hybrid expedition truck from the outside to the inside, one thing is clear. This is not just a vehicle, it is a complete adventure experience built for people who want to travel further and live differently. If you enjoyed this full tour, make sure to like this video, share it with other adventure lovers, and subscribe to Rolling Wheels for more futuristic motorhomes, luxury RVs, and amazing expedition vehicles. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next journey. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Rolling Wheels adventure.